We're gonna make us some brownies. You got your eggs, you got your oil. Let's go. Yeah, we're gonna get this thing together. We're gonna knock away this motherfucker. We'll be back. I thought y'all said I couldn't make that brownie. What is that? Hold on. Grab the toothpick and now we're gonna test it. I think it's ready, y'all. Yeah, I think we're ready. Now let's cut it and see. I'm not left-handed, y'all, so I'm sorry. But y'all can see it's not, it's easy cutting. Which I'm just not left-handed, so it's hard for me to do it with the left hand. But we're gonna lift it up. Yeah, I see it. Here you go. With the microwave open, now I do the honors. I'm hot. It's good, but I should have put some sugar in it because it tastes like a regular brownie is. But it's hot. It just thick. Y'all know how to run this drip. Make your brownie. I feel like Martin Lawrence.